Standing at the bar, waiting for a job. Before I hit the whiskey, ain't gonna drive far. The bomb is pretty shy, I'm giving her the eye. Then a sinking feeling hits me that I should've watched the guy. The geezer's name is Tell, he's reaching for the bell. Oh, you fucking plonker, will you serve me?
Will I help?